My name is Marja Huiskamp. I'm the Chief Communication Officer at Barcelona Health Hub, a private non-profit organization that aims to advance innovation in digital health. And what we do is we connect more than 500 members from all over the world that are all working in the field of healthcare. The Health Revolution Congress is our flagship event. It's the biggest conference in digital health in Europe, and it was attended by more than 2,500 attendees. From all over the world, we gathered more than 50 different countries at the Health Revolution Congress. We had 200 speakers and 12 different simultaneous tracks, so it was a big success. Barcelona Health Hub organizes plenty of events during the whole year. Not every single event needs a different platform, but the bigger ones, such as the Health Revolution Congress, they absolutely need a platform like Meetmaps. So yes, for us it's really useful to have the opportunity to organize and handle different kinds of events through the platform. Well, we basically use a lot of different aspects of Meetmaps because we try to do it from the beginning until the end. We use all kinds of different options. For example, we sell the tickets for the events through the platform. And what I really like is that you can also include the option to automatically send the invoice, because that's super useful because everybody will ask for an invoice at some point. But also like the register of the attendees, sending out automated emails for all the attendees in there. You can send campaigns. For example, if you want to resend a QR code to enter. So that's all really intuitive and really easy to use. And this is what we use the most. But it's also, for example, putting up all the information about the event, especially at the Health Revolution Congress with 12 different tracks. That was really useful because it's a lot of simultaneous content, and it was an easy way to show what's going on in what place. And this year what we used the most is the floor plan option, since you could actually see where every single sidetrack was happening, what was happening at what time. It was color coded, so it was really easy to use. The use of controlling the access through Meetmaps, that has really been a game changer. Before we maybe had to print out some list and do with markers. Well, that we do not do anymore. So it's super easy to do. We sent out QR codes to all our attendees. We sent a reminder also all through the platform, so people will bring out their QR codes when they're entering the venue. And we can scan them, and that's awesome because it's so easy to do. You can scan the QR codes at the access. You know exactly who got in at what time and so on. And the best part is, if people do not bring the QR code, because people will forget, you can actually type in a name and it works as well. So it's super easy to do, and there's much more possibilities than we in the beginning thought of, and it works really well. I think when people are attending an event, sometimes it's really complicated to oversee everything. There's a lot of information, there are a lot of venues, there's a lot of people to see as well. And I think the app really helps to get a grasp of the event and to prepare it as well. So the fact that the app is available beforehand, you can already plan and prepare your visit. The parts that are most important for me is that people come prepared, because there's so much going on, and there's, especially in a big event such as the Health Revolution Congress. And what it did is making it easy. It was easy to navigate, easy to find the information, and easy to find fellow attendees, which is one of the networking part is of course one of the most important parts of any event. We have two different apps in Meetmaps because we have two different publics. One is BHH events, which is basically aimed at, you guessed it, BHH events. So this is the one we use for that. And the other one is only aimed at the BHH members. So it's a closed app. You can of course download it, but access is only available for BHH members. And we use the community app. We use it mainly for networking, putting people in contact and share agendas, like, for example, events that BHH is organizing throughout the year. The Health Revolution Congress had 12 different tracks, simultaneous tracks, and that made it a little bit difficult for attendees to understand what was happening at what time. What Meetmaps did was providing the interactive floor plan, which was really easy to use. It was easy on the eye and also really easy to use. You could click on the different parts and know exactly what was happening at what time. Those same sessions that were happening everywhere were color-coded, and we put in a very elaborate agenda where you could also filter out like everything you would like to see. You could do it per track, per language, or whatever you want, or even by location. So it was super easy, like a lot of different information made very easy to understand. The agenda with photos is great. It really works well. I think it's really easy and visual, or a visual reminder for people to get them to different sessions at the event. Absolutely. I think that the dashboard is super user-friendly. One of the best parts of the whole dashboard is that you can adapt it to your own wishes. So, for example, there's a lot of different options available, but I don't need every single option, but I can choose and rearrange the options that I would like to use for our event. And maybe one event is different than the other, but I can manage that myself. I don't need help from anybody. And I could also choose to visualize or devisualize certain aspects of the dashboard. And that makes it really our own event with only the things that we would like to show, in this case for the Health Revolution Congress. It's really easy to learn to use the platform. It's actually, I was the first user within our company, but by now every single one of my colleagues is learning as well. And we've seen that it's super easy to get the hang of it and know what to do and how to do it. And it's very intuitive. So sooner or later you will use it, and it's super easy to learn. Yeah. My experiences with the back office team has been really, really nice. Normally, every single question that I have is resolved super, super quick. It's easy. There's a lot of help available. There's also a great information database online, which you can ask, revise as well. And the personal support we've had from the team is also really, really good, both online as on site. I would define Meetmaps being easy, adaptable, and really pretty.